So now as the next part, we will learn about sorting. Sorting means arranging the data either in ascending or descending order. For sorting, we will select the entire data excluding serial number and headings. The reason is why we are not selecting the serial numbers because also the serial numbers are already arranged in the ascending order. And about the headings, sometimes the data what we give and the heading both are in alphabets, and automatically what happens is this heading will come in between the data when we sort it. That is why we are not selecting the headings and the serial number. So we'll select, click, drag and select the entire data excluding serial number and heading. So we have selected it. We have to click on data menu, sort. So here in this window we have to specify based on which column we have to sort the data. So here I am giving based on column B. Column B is this column, that is places. So here first we are going to rearrange the places alphabetically. So select the column B and click on OK button. So here you can see now all the cells are arranged in the alphabetical order of column B. We can do the sorting based on any column. So now we will do one thing, we will sort the round data column. So again click on data menu, then sort. So here I am going to choose the round data cell. So round data cell is G. So click on the column B here and select column G and click on OK button. So now we can see the column G is arranged ascendingly. And as the column G is arranged in the ascending order, here we can see the B column is now in a scattered form. So as the next part we will learn about filtering. Filtering means we are going to find out only a particular category of data. So for that we have to select the entire file. So click, drag and select the entire file including serial number and heading. Then data. Then we can give the first option auto filter. So here we can see as we have given the auto filter function, a small down arrow like button is appearing in each and every heading column. So now we have to sort this data and I am going to sort this data based on column H. So I want to find out only those places which is having cool climate. So here we can see in the column H there are both cool climate and warm climate are there. So there I am going to find out only those places which is having cool climate. So click on the down arrow here and there I have to choose cool climate. So I have to remove the tick mark of warm climate here and click on the OK button. So here we can see now we have only the places which is having cool climate. So in order to remove this filtering, select the entire data once more and click on data menu and remove the tick mark from auto filter. So now you can see the filtering has been removed. So now we will go to the next type of filtering, that is we are going to find out only a particular category, that is those places which is having temperature in between 20 degrees centigrade and 25 degrees centigrade. Again select the entire data, then click on data menu, more filter and there we have to choose the option standard filter. So here we are going to filter the data based on column G. So here in the field name we have to select rounded data. Then condition. So here I have to give greater than or equal to. Then in the value I am going to give 20 because I want to find out the data if in between 20 and 25. So then here I have to give and again in the field name I have to choose rounded data. Then in the condition I have to give less than or equal to. I have to give 25. Now click on the OK button. So here we can see we got only the data of places which is having in between 20 and 25 degree temperature. Then in order to remove this filtering, click on data menu, more filter, we have to click on reset filter. So here we can see we got the entire data back. So as the next step we have to convert this into a PDF file. So for that click on file, then export as PDF. Then here I have to choose range as all because I want to export all the file. I want to export all the pages. So I am choosing the option range all. Then click on export. Then here I am giving the file name as temperature. Then click on desktop and click on save button. Now minimize this window. So here you can see got the PDF file temperature. This is the file what we have created.